important to understand that trading carries risks and may lead to financial losses. This video is not a promotion of financial services and does not contain
Back in racks in the morning. Starboy on a full name orange. Feel like Brazil had a man them ballin'. Shoot my shot, then I'm scoring. No one does it better. Body curving, how she swerving like a traveler. We can have a party in the five.
What is AI trading? And does it really work?
Wait! Before we start this video, make sure you like this video. Your support motivates me to create more videos for you. So smash that like button fast.
Let's start trading.
First, open our bot and click on Binary Trading button. Now select Market Type. And using OTC and Live Market both, let's start with OTC Market. Click on OTC Market. By the way, guys, this bot full use A to Z tutorial video already. I posted on channel. I also put this tutorial video link on description and make a comment on this video, which county you live in. Now back to bot. Choose pocket option OTC. Pick a pair to analyses, any pair with good market percentage. Now select your trading time. I choose 1 minute. Boom. Now Supreme Pro AI analyzing that pair. Boom, bot. Now give me signal with trade entry direction and trade execute time also. Now, let me open Pocket Option Broker and enter my trade according the execute time. Successfully trade non-martingale, short shot profit.
Try it yourself. This bot is free and available to everyone on any device. Follow the link on the screen or in the description to get it.
Let's take more trade. Enjoy full video guys bot and our trading community. Join link in bio and also put in comment box.
Nobody find it's a Coca-Cola. Hold on. No one no sleep and I swear too total. Throwing it back when I press rewind. Losing her mind when she see that motion. Yeah, straight to the bag, getting racks in the morning. Starboy on a full name orange. Feel like Brazil had a man them ballin'. Shoot my shot, then I'm scoring. No one does it better. Body curving, how she swerving like a traveler. We can have a party in the favela. Body curving, how she swerving like a traveler.
Hey, I'm FX Shakib Sheikh. Join my Telegram community. The link is in my bio. Like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.